What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and I'm quickly going to put some things away. But welcome back, and welcome back to a new update on the Burger Crypto and Burger Swap. I made my face in the video a little bit bigger, so let me know what you think about that. But for now, let's get into the video. So I covered Burger quite a bit, which just going to call it Burger. You could refer to it as Burger Swap or Burgercities. I think we should do right now. So obviously I covered this when it had those two big bull runs. And it was very bullish throughout the last few days too. Here these were two big runs, and then afterwards we have this, well, I mean, you could technically say these were three runs in one, but it was just a big uptrend. Well, the volume was really high, and the volume right now is dropping. It's at 140. Still 2.6 times the market cap, so it's definitely nothing. But it used to be, I mean, at the highest point it was 300. So it is dropping. That is something you should remember when we take a look at the price. Because what you see is that, and I actually thought that as long as we're above 2.25 and 2.1, which is this level right here, we're still bullish. And I still believe that. I think that if we can actually still, because I do think we'll drop down. We now drop down to this 2.618 fib at 2.5. That's a strong support. But I do think we'll drop down to that level. But this is a very strong support level. So I think this is going to hold. And as long as we're above this level, we're actually still bullish. And I think we can still get up to $3 and even break $3 and get towards $4. I think that's possible as long as we're above 2.1. And that level between 2.1 and 2.20 and 2.25. But you know what I mean with that, right? Just this whole area. The danger, though, comes in the form of breaking down below that level. Because I think, even though, I mean, you can have all the opinions you want about the project and about this valuation, which could still be considered low even after such a big bull run. And I know a lot of you have joined my channel after those videos, and you probably believe that. But, as I said, I mean, I definitely do think it's possible. I just think that it's very dangerous at this point of time. Tomorrow, in about 25 hours from right now, we'll get inflation rate numbers for the United States. That makes the market move. That makes it volatile. So let's just say those inflation rate numbers are bad. So they're higher than expected. Then probably this level here at 2.1 and 2.25 will break. Now, if we get rid of this scenario real quick, if that breaks, if we were below that level, we're probably going to find support at 1.8, but only to take a break retest off of that level between 2.1 and 2.25 and to drop down towards 1.5. And 1.5 definitely can hold for a longer period of time, but then you have already dropped by, from that 2.25, you've already dropped 30%. So obviously that will cause panic selling. People have bought in this bull run and they think, wow, well, it's dropping, maybe I should sell too. And when 1.5 drops, or when that breaks, we're dropping down to 1.15. And I actually do think that if we break down below 2.1, that within weeks we'll get towards 1.15 too. And now that from 2.25 would be a 45% loss. And I'm not saying that, I think that's the loss support, but I could be wrong about that. So, yeah, we don't necessarily, I mean, this is still valid too, right? So as long as we stay above 2.1, it's fine, but there is some real danger coming up, and I felt like I had the obligation to make an update on Burger and basically tell you what I think you should look out for. I do think that this is actually more likely too. This is just what happens after a lot of bull runs, but I'm not counting out this scenario too, right? So do your own analysis as well. See what you think is more likely. That's your opinion is as valid as mine, I think. So that was basically my analysis and this update. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.